ธังสรณังคัจฉามิธัมมังสรณังคัจฉามิสังฆังสรณังคัจฉามิพระพุทธคือศาสดาองค์พระสัมมาสัมพุทธเจ้าพระธรรมคือคำกล่าวสั่งสอนชาวพุทธทั่วไปพระสงฆ์เราจงเอาไว้พระสอนให้เรารู้ชั่วดีโอสหนาวตุสหโนบุนักตุสเรียมกรวาวะให้เตจสวินาบดีธรรมสตุมาวิดวิชาวะให้โอชันติชันติชันติसर्वमङ्गलमङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोऽस्तु ते This question of success and failure. In our life, we always have thoughts of flowing through our head, our mind, our emotion. Thoughts is the force of evolution, which always want us to grow for more and more and more. Success means you think or you desire and you feel accomplished, you fulfill. Think and finish. Think and finish. Finish with satisfaction, with happiness. That's what we call success. But then today's word success means you refer to some object referral. You think of something, you grab it, and sometimes it takes you time before you get the results. A man who won a cup of coffee, he didn't have any money, so he had to go and earn the money to get the cup of coffee. He think of coffee, but took him 60 minutes to gain a cup of coffee, to feel successful. So his deserving ability is not ultimate yet. A second man, within 5 minutes, he goes to the shop and get a cup of coffee. Then his deserving ability or success is much quicker. The third man, he just sit there and someone just bring him a cup of coffee without asking. Then his deserving ability or his success is very much almost instant. The fourth man, he think of coffee instantly experiences in his being. That's what we call success without delay. That means the deserving ability of the fourth person is much far more than the first one. And this is what makes life so different. We are 7 billion people in the world. We were born for the same purpose, is to be successful. Instant fulfillment on whatever thoughts or emotion that comes to us. But not all of them are successful instantly. And then they base their success on the object. Object means you have to create something, you wait for something, and you dreaming for something. Then that success become attention. In fact, become the cause of imbalance in the nervous system. When the imbalance, which is the cause of desire and not successful, create in the nervous system, then life will not be full. Life will be partially lived. So the word success is, of course, it's the words, it's imagination. From Maharishi Mahesh Yogi, we learned the Siddhis program, the Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Basically, we just learn how to deal with our success emotionally. We deal how to project the thoughts.